Signs of a clogged oil filter. Don't ignore these warning signs. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel where we break down everything you need to know in the simplest, clearest, and most exciting way possible. Now, let me ask you this. Have you ever noticed your car's engine making strange noises? Or maybe the oil light suddenly popping up on your dashboard? Well, today we're diving into a topic that every car owner needs to understand: the signs of a clogged oil filter. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to spot the warning signs before they turn into costly engine damage. Trust me, you'll never look at your oil filter the same way again. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share this video. So, let's get right into it. 1. The oil pressure warning light comes on. One of the first and most obvious signs of a clogged oil filter is when that little oil can icon lights up on your dashboard. This light usually means there's low oil pressure in your system, and if your filter is clogged, oil can't flow freely. Think of your oil filter like a gatekeeper. When it's clean, oil moves smoothly through to lubricate your engine. But when it's clogged, the flow is restricted, and your oil pump has to work harder just to keep things moving. If you ignore this warning, you risk starving your engine of oil, which could lead to catastrophic damage. So don't just clear the light or reset it. Find out the cause. 2. Strange metallic or knocking noises from the engine. Now here's a scary one. A clogged oil filter can cause parts of your engine to run without proper lubrication. When that happens, you may start to hear unusual sounds like ticking, knocking, or even grinding noises. Why? Because metal parts inside your engine are literally rubbing against each other without enough oil in between to reduce friction. And once you hear those noises, it means the problem is already serious. So, if you notice these strange sounds, check your oil level and your oil filter immediately. 3. Dirty or contaminated exhaust smoke. Another red flag is the color of the smoke coming out of your exhaust. Normally, clean-burning engines produce very little visible smoke. But when your oil filter is clogged, dirty oil can pass through into the combustion chamber. This often results in thick, dark smoke, sometimes with a burning oil smell. And that's a double problem. Not only is your filter failing, but your engine might also be burning oil, which is a sign of deeper issues. If you ever see smoke that doesn't look normal, don't ignore it. Your oil filter could be the culprit. 4. Sluggish or poor engine performance. A clogged oil filter doesn't just affect oil flow, it can also impact how well your car runs overall. When your engine doesn't get enough lubrication, it can feel sluggish, struggle to accelerate, or even stall in extreme cases. You might press the gas pedal and feel like your car is holding back. That's because your engine is literally working harder than it should. If your car suddenly feels underpowered, it's time to check both your oil level and your filter. If you are liking this video so far, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that like button. 5. Unexplained overheating. Oil doesn't just lubricate your engine, it also helps cool it by reducing friction and carrying heat away from moving parts. But when your oil filter is clogged, oil circulation slows down and that heat stays trapped inside the engine. The result, your temperature gauge starts climbing and your engine runs hotter than normal. While overheating can be caused by many issues, a clogged oil filter is one that people often overlook. Ignoring this can lead to warped engine parts, blown head gaskets, or even complete engine failure. 6. Poor fuel economy. Here's one that many drivers don't connect to the oil filter: reduced fuel efficiency. When your engine isn't properly lubricated, it has to work harder just to perform normal tasks. That extra effort translates into more fuel consumption. If you notice your gas mileage dropping, but you haven't changed your driving habits, a clogged oil filter might be quietly draining your wallet. Why you shouldn't ignore these signs. Now, here's the big takeaway. Your oil filter may seem like a small and insignificant part of your car, but it plays a massive role in engine health. Ignoring these warning signs could lead to engine wear, overheating, reduced performance, and even total engine failure. The good news? Replacing an oil filter is quick, simple, and inexpensive. In most cases, you can even do it yourself at home with basic tools. So, the moment you notice any of these symptoms, don't delay. So, those are the 6 major signs of a clogged oil filter that you shouldn't never ignore. Now, let me throw this question back to you. Have you ever experienced any of these symptoms with your car? And if so, did changing the oil filter solve the problem? Drop your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear your stories. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more car care tips, and share this video with anyone who wants to keep their engine running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.